Hi, my name is Julie Grieve and I'm the Recreation Program Division Manager with the Park Ridge Park District. When I need to unplug, I come out to the beautiful Wildwood Nature Center. I just had a great afternoon. I saw a great blue heron, chipmunk, rabbit, dragonflies, turtles, and beautiful blooming flowers. What's your outlet?
Hi Park Ridge, now it's your turn to show us how you unplug. Just share a photo or a video using the hashtag UnplugParkRidge. Each week we'll randomly select someone to win a fabulous prize, so get out there and show us what's your outlet.